Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to install Voicebox for recording voices and transforming voices from one form to another on your PC. So for this, you first need to search Google search Voicebox in the search bar, and on the first link in the search, you click on it, you will be taken to this page. And here, download Voicebox, and you are supposed to select your operating system on your computer, and after selection the voice box will be downloaded, and here I have downloaded it, and then you need to go to your folder where you have saved it, and it is here. And if you double click this, the windows may give you a warning in the form of this, but you need to click on run anyway. And when you run this anyway, it takes you to the next page. In here you need to select and then click OK and then next, and it will be installed in program files on your C drive, creating a folder with Voicebox. I click next and then I click install. So the installation begins. Here comes a warning from Windows and I click yes. Okay, and the launch Voicebox is ticked and I finish, and it will automatically open Voicebox. Warning of the tensor, calibrating synthesizer engine, preparing IO pipelines, establishing model connections. So here it comes create voice, and you can now use this Voicebox to create different voices. Here is one more thing, use your microphone, allow. And this is now the interface that you can use for creating voices. I will guide you in the next video how to create voices, how to transform this from one to another form. And then thanks for watching Safi Mixed.